back lever, advanced tuck, eccentric pull. Are you working towards your back lever and looking for an accessory exercise that will improve your straight arm pulling strength? Back lever eccentric pulls are a must for back lever training. The advanced tuck back lever eccentric pull is a progression that can be used to improve your back levers once you have the strength to hold an advanced tuck back lever for 12 to 15 seconds. Set the rings to be shoulder width apart and then kick to inverted. Once inverted, set a tight advanced tuck shape with the inside edge of the feet pushed together, the knees pushed together, and the thighs at a 90-degree angle or greater away from the torso. It's important to create tension in the lower body as this helps you maintain the desired shape. The back lever is traditionally performed with a pronated grip, palms facing down. However, if you experience any elbow or shoulder pain when using a pronated grip, I recommend switching to a supinated grip to prevent injury and continue building both strength and mobility in these joints. When inverted, you need to decide which grip to use and turn the rings into this position. It's much harder to change grips while performing the eccentric pull. Now that you've set the advanced tuck shape and decided which grip to use, you want to protract the shoulders and squeeze your arms into the sides of your body to help engage the lats and keep the rings close. Contract your triceps to keep the elbows locked and grip the rings tight. From here, slowly start to lower the hips and lift the shoulders as you roll down into an advanced tuck back lever with control. Aim to feel the tension in the lats and to keep them active as you perform the eccentric pull. When the torso is parallel to the floor, lift the chest to move into an advanced tuck back lever and hold it for 2 to 3 seconds. This pause helps you to build greater awareness of the parallel torso position, which increases your back lever form. After holding the pause, continue to lower the hips down into the advanced tuck German hang. From here, pull the knees to the chest to set a tight tuck shape before pulling yourself back to the inverted position without bending the elbows. Once inverted, create the advanced tuck shape and prepare for the next rep. Perform the specified number of repetitions at the prescribed tempo. I recommend doing 3 to 4 sets of 3 to 8 reps with around 5 to 10 seconds of time under tension in each eccentric rep.